Here we are today in Dromore Nature Reserve, which is about a 45-minute leisurely cycle north of Ennis in County Clare, and we're in the Immelbornia region of the Killaloe diocese in the parish of Rowan, and Crusheen on one side and the parish of Corofin on the other side. And Dromore Nature Reserve is a very popular resort for people to come and to enjoy the long walk in through the woods and to experience the beauty of the lake on one side and the castle that is just beside the lake. Many people come here to enjoy and commune with the beauty of nature in this lovely location, and what a delight it is to be here on this glorious autumn day. Experiencing the peace and beauty of the lake here in Dromore Nature Reserve, it reminds one of the verse of The Lake Isle of Innisfree by W.B. Yeats that runs, "And I shall have some peace there, for peace comes dropping slow, dropping from the vales of the morning to where the cricket sings. There midnight's all a glimmer, and noon a purple glow, and evening full of the linnet's wings."